Want to unbox my new bag with me? This is it. I have a new friend. This might be my last new friend for a little while because I'm expensive, and being a stay-at-home mom is not easy. So I don't know. I might have to go back to work soon. This little girl might be mad at me because I like things and things cost money. So this is gonna be an unboxing. Check this out. Now I said it. I think I said it on TikTok that when you buy things, like I buy a lot of things from Coach. I buy a lot of things from Coach Outlet. This is from Coach, right? And the presentation is so different. A lot of times with the outlet, a lot of times with the outlet, you don't get, like, you wouldn't have got all that detail on the box. You a lot of times don't get a duster. No, I don't think I ever get a duster. It's usually like in plastic, maybe some tissue, but all of this wouldn't have happened. So it says, welcome to Coachtopia, a world in progress. Join us on the road to circularity. I don't know what the heck that means. And this is Coachtopia on this side, and it has a tie. So now, from the title, you probably know which bag this is. The bag is probably in the thumbnail, knowing me. And I am sentimental and excited. This is a bag that I wanted since I was a child, because this bag in Harlem, this was that bag. This was the it bag. I didn't know the name. It's the Coach Ergo. Let me make sure. Yeah, Ergo shoulder bag, and I believe this is the smaller one. There is a bigger one. It doesn't say mini, but I know that I've seen a larger Ergo. Now, I wanted this bag since I was a child. This was that bag. I used to see it in all these bright, crazy colors. Now that I'm grown and I've been able to look back in some of the archives, I realized that a lot of those were bootleg, knockoff bags, counterfeit, okay, if you will. So the bootleggers used to make all the bright colors. So I always wanted a bright color. Now, if this bag is around to stay, I probably will get it in a brighter color. If they do, if that's a thing where like the brighter and neons and things like that, I probably will get another one. This bag was priced reasonably to me. I know some people may be like, no, it's because it's on the smaller side. $250, and I never really say the price because I never really care, but the tag is on it so I can see it was $250. I know, my last new friend for a little while. It's kind of small for that price point. For that price point on the outlet, we would have gotten something way bigger, and I probably would have gotten a wallet to go along with it for that price point. But I just got the bag. They did have wallets. I didn't need it because I'm going to use my same old Coach wallet I've been using. It's black. And now I got black. I'm going to clean that up in a second. I got black because I wanted this bag for so long. I knew that I needed the black because I wanted a bag that I'm going to want to pull it out next year. I'll show you the inside. See that? I wanted a bag that I'm going to want to put out next year, and the year after that, and the year after that, and the year after that. I didn't want something that, oh, this is the details. The details, like this little leather. Can y'all see that little leather? They don't play about their details. I'm telling you. Love the little tag. We have the little tag here. It says Coachtopia. And then this guy here. I have stuff to match. I got stuff to match. I'm excited. I believe I have some earrings I know I have some earrings like this. This is going to be a look, right? Yeah. It doesn't have a closed zip, just this little snap. So that is a disappointing. Like, yeah, now that I'm seeing this bag in person, I know that most of the bags that I've seen before were knockoffs. Did it have, you can tell me if you had this bag back in the day, did it have an inside zip? This one does not, which does not bother me. It does not fit my shoulder. I'm on the plus size, so this won't fit my shoulder. This will just be handle bag on the wrist type of, or on the arm type of bag. I can't pull it all the way up, but I'm still happy about this. They have other colors. I was tempted by the cherries. The cherries tempted me, but I know that in a year or two I'm not going to go for that bag. These are made out of, I think that's the whole big thing. I was hoping it had a little card that I could have read off of, because don't get me the line, any information that I get, I will put it in the description box. But what I realized, what I liked about this is one of the selling points is that they were saying that it's used recycled materials. They're using a lot of the leather scraps instead of just throwing it out. So they're being, you know, conscious, environmental. I love it. I love it as much as you can be when it's leather. But kudos to Coach. Shout out to them. I'm in love with my new little bag. I don't know. I might have to get a big one. Might have to. You know, I love me a big bag. Let me know what you thought about this bag. Did you get anything from Coachtopia? Do you plan on getting anything? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Later, guys.